Are you feeling confused about protein? Maybe you want to build muscle or lose weight, but you're not sure how much protein you need or what kind. Well, this video breaks it all down. How much you should be eating, and the best types of protein supplements out there. And stick around until the end, because we'll show you which protein powder is right for you based on your goals. We'll cover why your body needs protein, what is protein, and why does your body need it. It helps you maintain healthy bones, skin, and hair. And it plays a key role in your metabolism, helping you convert food into energy. Protein is made up of building blocks called amino acids, which are linked together in long chains, especially if you're busy or don't like to eat meat. That's where protein supplements come in. It can be a convenient way to get the protein you need to support your goals. This is a popular supplement made from milk that's high in leucine, an amino acid that stimulates muscle growth. Unlike whey, casein is a slow-digesting protein source. This means it releases amino acids into your bloodstream gradually over several hours. This makes casein ideal for people who want to prevent muscle breakdown while they sleep. Brown rice protein is made from, you guessed it, brown rice. It's a good source of amino acids like lysine. If you're looking to build muscle, whey or casein protein may be a good option. No matter which supplement you choose, be sure to follow the recommended dosage on the label. Taking too much protein won't give you more results and could actually be harmful. If you're trying to lose weight, any of the protein powders mentioned can be helpful. Just be sure to choose a supplement that fits your lifestyle and dietary preferences, which is often lacking in other plant-based foods. Brown rice protein is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. The lowdown on protein supplements? We hope this video has helped you better understand the importance of protein and the benefits of adding a supplement to your diet. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just improve your overall health, there's a protein supplement out there for you. Just be sure to do your research and choose a supplement that fits your lifestyle and goals. Thanks for watching. It's a good option for vegetarians and vegans and those looking to improve their overall health. Casein is also sometimes used as a weight loss supplement because it helps you feel full for longer, which may lead to fewer calories consumed during the day. Whey protein is also a complete protein source. As you probably already know, eggs are a great source of protein. In fact, they're considered the highest quality protein source available. That's because they contain all the essential amino acids and are easy for your body to digest. Protein is often used by people who want to lose weight or improve their body composition because it's very effective at promoting muscle growth and preventing muscle loss, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. It's often used by athletes and bodybuilders because it helps build and repair muscle tissue. Whether it's building muscle, losing weight, or just maintaining good health, your body uses these chains to make all sorts of important things like hormones, enzymes, and yes, muscle tissue. So let's start with the basics. Pea protein is extracted from peas and is a good source of amino acids like leucine, which can help stimulate muscle growth. It's also high in fiber, making it a good option for people who are trying to lose weight or improve their digestive health. Pea protein is also a complete protein source, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. In fact, protein is an essential part of almost every cell in your body. That's why getting enough of it is so important. That's because protein helps repair muscle tissue that's been broken down during exercise. It also helps your body make new muscle tissue. Let's take a look at some of the most popular options. But in general, most people need at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. People who are more active or exercising regularly may need more, which can lead to increased strength and size. But if you're active or exercising, your body needs even more protein. So how much protein do you need? The answer depends on a number of factors, including your age, activity level, and overall health. That means that someone who weighs 150 pounds or 68 kilograms would need at least 54 grams of protein per day. Getting enough protein can be tough, but with so many different types of protein supplements on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. First up, we have whey protein. Next, we have casein protein. Now let's talk about egg protein. If you're looking for a plant-based protein source, try pea protein. Last but not least, we have brown rice protein. So which protein powder is right for you? For example, if you're vegan, You'll want to choose a plant-based protein source like pea or brown rice protein. So there you have it.